Okay, I've made it to the end of week 1. Round of applause. So far, there's been no real major surprises. The diet is a pain in the backside to stick to. Not so much what I have been given, but what I cannot eat. I have problems in the evenings because I usually eat my dinner late. I'm not usually eating dinner till 8 or 9 o'clock, and I'm not supposed to eat after 7 p.m. So that's a big problem. The workout so far is okay. Lots of running and things like that in the meantime. So I don't have any major problems there, except I am as stiff as a board, and yeah, some major flexibility issues to sort out, and also range of motion in my limbs, or my joints I should say. Other than that, so far so good.